Hi everyone! So I have a haul from the Purple 99. I'm not sure if you guys saw my YouTube short, but I had shown where Halloween stuff was 75% off. Now this was probably like a week ago. I just haven't had the time to be able to do the haul, so that's what we're going to do today. So first off, look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I think they're so stinking cute. So these are little candy countdowns. So I got one for the nephews and for Sunny, and then I wanted to find like a more girly one for my niece, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye out for that. I think this is so stinking cute. I love it so much. And then on the back it does have little tags, so I thought that was cute. Sadly, I'm gonna be gone most of December, so I'm gonna take ours with us, and then my nephews I'm gonna leave here, and my brother can be in charge of that for them. And then on to the 75% off, I found this little Nomi guy, so $3 minus the 75%. I don't know what that came out to, but I'm sure it was really cheap. And then I got these little glitter tags because I loved the dino. I love me some dinosaurs. I thought that was so cute. And of course the Santa. And these two aren't bad, but these two are definitely my favorite. I want to put them with my scrapbookings because we are going to be very busy this December. I want to do my very first December daily. So I think that'd be really fun. They had these little kits for 99 cents. So you get some coloring sheets. You get some puffy stickers that I thought were really cute to like take our photo and then add like the little hats or like the little ears or the mustache on our own photos. I thought that'd be funny and cute to do since I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures. And then it just has some hollow stickers over here and then some regular stickers in the back right there. So I thought this was a great little set for 99 cents. Like such a really good deal. Then for the Halloween stuff, I found these little candy gummy critters. They're little spiders. I love gummy candy. I prefer gummy candy over like chocolate most of the time. So I got those for myself. These little cases, I get them every time I see them because I hardly ever see them. And I have like a collection of probably like 8 now. And I haven't done anything with them. But my plan is to do little like beads and wire wrap beads and then send it out in Happy Mail and decorate the cover. So I will get to that eventually. I just need more time. There's not enough time in the day for me. What can I say? I found these little tags. I really wanted the cup. Yes, I literally bought this for the little cup there, but they are only 99 cents. Now these two are cute, don't get me wrong, so I'll definitely be using these with my scrapbook stuff, but I really wanted the little coffee cup. When we're on the Disney ship, we always stop by the cafe where you have to buy the coffee and they'll print images on the top. So I'm like, this is going to be perfect for that. I need this set. And then now I have other little tags that I could use for my gifts. So I thought that was a really nice little set, especially since I wanted those on top. This was an epic find. I don't know where it's meant to be. I actually found it like on top of the vegetables. So I don't know why somebody like just randomly left it there, but they did. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I love Tim Burton. I love Disney. And this one was $1.99. So they're just like little sticky tabs. I thought that's so cool. Sunny Boy decided that the outside of our cabin for this trip is going to be Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm like, this will go great when I start scrapbooking that. So I'm so happy that I found that set. And this is another one of those packs, and I picked it up because the cover was different. So that's why I grabbed that one. But it's the same thing. You got your coloring book. You got your little hats. Wait, are these different? Oh, they are different. I like this one better. Okay, I need to go find another snowman because I love the ho ho ho, the Santa hat, the little snowman hat. So these are different. You get like elf hats on this one, and then this one you get like the Santa. And then you get your hollow stickers, which are also different. And then you get your regular stickers on the bottom, which are different as well. Ooh, sorry, I had to sneeze there. Okay, now I need to go look through the pile to see if there was other ones, because I just like grabbed 2 off the peg. And now I need to go see if there's other ones, because I had no idea that they were different. I just assumed that the cover was different and the rest would be the same, but that's good to know. So I need to go hunt down some more of that. And then look at this super cute stocking. Oh my gosh, the Mickey ears are huge. But this was $2.50. So I am getting new stockings to hang up for my niece and my nephew and my brother and like his whole family and everything. So I thought this one was just so oversized and funny. I'm like, you know what? I gotta get it. I'm gonna see if Sunny Boy wants this one to be for his stocking for this year. So I got that one. I have an obsession with buying stockings. I probably, if I went through all my Christmas boxes, I probably have like a good 20. I am obsessed with buying them. I have problems. I have a shopping problem where I buy like obsessive amounts of stuff. Like I don't need 20 stockings, but I need them. You know what I mean? So here we have some sequins mix. We have some little reindeer, some blue snowflakes, some clear iridescent snowflakes. I think that's it. Oh, there's some like tiny little like flower looking ones that I think are supposed to be snowflakes. So I just thought that was really pretty. So I grabbed that one. And then I was so happy to find mini stockings. Like look at how tiny and cute these are. And they were 99 cents. I am so happy that the 99 only store still has some items 99 cents. I wish Dollar Tree would have followed them, because here at the Purple 99, some things are 99 cents and then some go all the way up to 20. Like they had this huge Christmas sleigh that was $20. So you can find anywhere in between there on prices. So I love that this is still like a good price. If you found these 4 of those stockings at Dollar Tree, there would have been $1.25. So I definitely try to stock up there first before I go over to Dollar Tree. And let's see, in the next bag, oh, this one was heavy. So this one I found, still the same store, but I found these little pins. This is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love how this feels. These were 99 cents. So it's just a little snowman pin. And then there was a little Rudolph, which I don't like that he's purple. I wish they would have done him like a green or a red. I don't like that he's purple, and I think he's so cute. I'm so sad that he's in a purple, but there's that one. Then let's see, I got doubles because some I'm gonna give away on our cruise, and then I got a set for myself, of course. Like how could I not, right? And then we have Santa here, so I got those, and I think that's it. Yeah, there was just 4 of those sets, so that's what I got from those. And then my dad, I cannot get him to understand how to do Bluetooth. And he will fall asleep with earbuds in his ears listening to like YouTube and stuff. So, oh my gosh, I have bought him $10 wired ones. These are 99 cents. They have some of the 99 cent store that are $2. I've bought him $5 ones. He breaks them all within like a month. So anytime I find them for 99 cents, I always grab them, because I'm like, I am not going to keep buying expensive ones if he's just going to break them. Like his phone will fall out of his hand and fall on the floor, and it like pulls the cord. And I think that's the problem of him breaking them all the time. So it is what it is. And then I found Sprite, which I just thought was Sprite until like I was standing there and I realized that it said cranberry. I don't think I've ever had this flavor before. I don't know if this is like a repeat thing, if this is a new thing. I just would have assumed that it was regular soda. So I was like, yes, you're coming home with me. I love trying limited edition or specialty things. I always do it with my niece and my nephew and Sunny, where I'll find new things and I'll tell them like taste test. Like even the Oreos that come out at Christmas, they have the red frosting. I'll be like, hey guys, let's come do a taste test. Even though it's the same thing every year and it tastes like a regular Oreo. So I was like, yes, I have to get these so we can try those out. Look, here is another pack of Christmas sequins. So we have red Santas, green trees, snowflakes, silver stars. So I always add more to these, like from my stash. I'll get some more like circle sequins just to like build that up. And then here is a little Halloween lantern that was 75% off. I am needing some just whiteout tape. So yeah, 99 cents, you guys. Love that store. I found these little stickers right here. I just like picking these up whenever I find them. And I loved that huge hollow Santa right there. So I was like, let me just snag those while they're there. Oh, I like the fa-la-la at the top. That's cute. And then part of the 75% off Halloween clearance. I love Peeps. Sunny loves Peeps. My mom loves Peeps. I just can't go wrong buying Peeps. So I got those. These were also 75% off. Now, these I remember were a quarter, and I was like, oh man, I should have grabbed all of the tins that they had. So there's a cookie in here. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put it with my Halloween stash. I think this is really good. I like having these for when I'm wire wrapping, and then I'll throw whatever I'm done wire wrapping in like these tins and containers, and then I'll build my chunky charms after I'm done doing like a bunch. So I got that one. And then they had frosting. This was also 75% off. So I loved the little eyeballs. I'm like, I could use this for Christmas. You know, it's green, so make some little trees. And then the little eyeballs can be for like Santa, a gingerbread guy, little reindeer. I'm like, I could totally use this right now, and nobody would be able to tell the difference that it was Halloween. And it's not expired until January 2025. So I'm like, this will definitely be good into December. So yeah, I thought about it afterwards. I'm like, when I was driving home, I'm like, oh, I should have bought more and bought one for each kid instead of just buying one. I'm like, oh, we can all just share. So yeah, that one I'm pretty sure is gone already. But that's it for this little haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.